Hello and welcome everyone to the first podcast from Flying Turtle. This is our first scene, which is supposed to be a starting scene and testing scene until we create the big and adventurous world of something. Anyways, today I have with me here the scripter of this game, Alex95. You can introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Alex95. I'm doing all the programming and scripting for the game, so I'll be doing anything from AI to lighting and stuff like that. I've also done the login system, which is almost finished now. It should be done in the next sort of few hours, so we can test that out. But yeah, that's what I'll be doing in the actual game.
Yeah, as you saw right now when he was talking, I showed you the login system. We still have some GUI to edit, but it's almost complete. And as Alex said, it will be complete in a couple of hours. And it's going to be a third-person MMO or RPG. It's not decided yet, but we'll definitely add multiplayer future if it's only for a local area or whatever. And what we've done till now is make some properties and a terrain, and as he said, the login screen. And we also have a character modeler, which actually are modeling our main character, but the problem is that he doesn't have internet, so we can't receive the model before in a couple of days.
Well, he does have internet, but he's kind of he doesn't have it at his house, so he's having to go backwards and forwards between places when he needs to send us stuff. So it's gonna sort of bring the development time down, but while he's making the characters, we can sort of get to work on the scenes and make it a better scene.
Yeah. So. And he's really good actually, and we're kind of impressed with his work till now. He hasn't done anything for the game, but he has a YouTube channel which has a really odd name, so I can't pronounce it, but it's not advertising anything. So we have worked for just one day, and not an entire day either. It's about 6 hours or something, and we have progressed a lot. Yesterday we just made some props, but we didn't put them into scene because we had a terrain issue, but it solved that. And also we have added some sound, but it's really weak sound, so you can't hear it that good when trying around with it, but we're fixing that too. And
and also there's one thing we need to do. The top of the trees is a main issue that
the main issue is that it's kind of black on the top of the trees, and it looks like someone has taken a dump on the trees, but from the bottom you can't see that, but we really want to fix that anyways because it's kind of annoying. And also we have shadows, which is inbuilt to the engine, comes from the sun. Actually not, it's just a directional light, but it looks like it comes from the sun, from the skybox. And we have some lightning on here to make it be a better mood. It's not supposed to be a happy mood either. It's supposed to be a bit bitter. Or what
a bit dark, sort of. Obviously we're going with it's not really horror.
It's just to make a bit of sad mood, but it's not supposed to be horror.
Happy. You're not playing a happy sort of game. You're not.
It's supposed to be adventurer, and the style we're going for is a bit between realistic and cartoony. So it's neither of them, but we take inspiration from stuff like World of Warcraft and that kind of style.
I'm just thinking now. So many people are going to be watching this, and they're just going to be like, when she said World of Warcraft, now they're going to be closing the tab. But it doesn't matter where we're taking our inspiration from. It's just the fact that
it's an example of what we want to like and achieve with our graphics, not our gameplay or anything. Just the graphics.
Yeah, we think that's. But obviously, probably within the next few days, we should have a graphics, some decent graphics, I should be able to get a quest system set up depending on how quickly I can work with it.
Yeah.
And then that should be looking pretty good.
Yeah. So I think that's it for this podcast, don't you say?
Yeah, I think I've covered pretty much most.
Yeah, we've shown
things.
what we've done, and updates will be coming soon.
Yeah, and also if you want to, obviously we can't do videos every day, but if you...
We'll do, when we feel that we've progressed a bit, then we'll show you what's new and stuff like that. Have you fixed so that the animation plays when you type in password, just so that I can show that?
What's that?
Like, is there any animation when I type in and log in?
No, there won't be any just yet.
Yeah, but he's working on it.
Yeah, there should be, when you click on the login button, there should be a camera animation that sort of moves around.
Yeah.
And then obviously loads your character in.
Into the cave.
But, I was going to say, if you check in the description, there'll be a link to our Unity thread thingy, which has all the updates on the game.
Yeah, and I think the updates comes faster, and Unity will publish thing on that thread every time, and then after we have published things there, we'll definitely put them on YouTube, but we'll prioritize Unity first.
Alright. Yeah, okay, I think that's about it then.
Yeah, okay, thank you for watching, and that was Flying Turtle.